I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaclyn. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be 3 looks using one palette, featuring the new Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palettes. So this one looks like this. So I think for the looks I'm going to do is I'm going to do one neutral look, which is the one I have on right now. I just filmed this. And then I want to do a look using the pinks, and then also one using the purples. And then, because there's this really fun yellow shade and these really cool like red shades that I really want to dip into at some point. So more tutorials with this to come. But those are like the neutrals, the pinks, and the purples are kind of the main color stories in this palette. So that's kind of just what I want to focus on today and test this out. I have the first version of this, which I love. It's amazing. Her formula with Morphe is the best eyeshadow formula, or like one of the best eyeshadow formulas that I've ever used. So I really enjoy the original palette. I've been really enjoying this one as well. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look plus a couple others, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and just keep on watching to see the looks. So I'm first going in with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot and setting that down with the white shade called Certified. Then I'm going in with the shade Perfectionist, and that is going to be my initial transition color. And just blending this out with a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush, and it is a necessity. I will be using this constantly throughout the 3 looks, and this is really a holy grail brush for me. So next I'm going in with the shade Comfort Zone and just deepening up that crease a little bit. Going in with a slightly smaller fluffy brush, and then going back in with the JH30 and just blending it all out, making sure it's all blended and no harsh lines or anything like that. Then I'm going in with the shade G Money on a pencil brush, and it wasn't exactly the tone of brown I was looking for. It was a little bit like too warm when I was going for more neutrals. So I'm just like further blending that out with all my other fluffy brushes I've been using. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Thick Skin, and just mainly to correct the G Money shade, make it more neutral again. And just kind of packing this in the crease, blending it all out. Then I'm going back in with Certified to highlight the brow bone. And then picking up Thick Skin again and packing this on the lower lash line and blending that out with G Money. Don't really know why I thought that would work, but I'm just trying to tie it all in together. And then I'll go in with Perfectionist to just lighten up the G Money shade and blend it out on a fluffy brush. And then picking up the shimmer shade Get Ready With Me and packing that all on the inner lid. And then just blending it all out. Just constantly going back with my previous blending brushes to make sure everything is perfectly blended. And then I lined my waterline with the NYX nude pencil, and then highlighting my inner corner with Ride or Diamonds, and then just adding some Lancome mascara. And that's the final look for the neutral look. And now we're on to the purple look. So again, just priming with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, setting it down with the Certified shade, and then going in again with Perfectionist as my initial transition color. And I'm just blending or building that up and then adding in the purple. So I took Therapy Sesh, and that is my first purple shade that I'm putting into the crease. And I'm just kind of placing that where I want to, being super precise and making sure it's all blended out. Going in with that Perfectionist shade first is going to really help you blend out the more vibrant colors that you use. And then on a more precise brush, I'm picking up Not My Journey just to deepen up the outer corner. And then as product leaves my brush, I'm dragging that into the crease just a teeny bit. And then again going back to blend that all out. Then I'm taking the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, not necessarily doing a cut crease here, just cleaning up the lid. And then I'll go and just blend those edges out some more. Then picking up a Moment and packing this all over the lid, right on top of where I just put down the Painterly Paint Pot. And then again blending out those edges. And then highlighting the brow bone with the Certified shade. And then I'm picking up Good Place and using that for the lower lash line and blending that out with Therapy Sesh. And again, just constantly blending all this out with my big fluffy brushes. And then I'm lining my waterline and tight line with this Stila like purple eyeliner. And then picking up a Drama Queen and using that to highlight the inner corner. And then just adding the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara again. And that completes the purple look. Onto the pink look, again, priming with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, setting it down with Certified, and then going in with Positivity as the initial transition color. Just blending this all out throughout the crease before I add in Lolly Mama. Also as my next crease shade, just to start adding in pink. And then just going back with my fluffy brushes, blending them all together. Then I'm going in with Dance Party on a more precise brush and packing this on the outer corner. Same technique as the purple look, using this to deepen the outer corner, and then as product leaves that brush, dragging it just a little bit into the crease, and then going back with all my previous fluffy brushes to blend all these colors together, blend out any harsh lines, make sure it's all just perfectly blown out and blended. And then taking the MAC Painterly Paint Pot again, just to clean up the lid area. And then I'm taking Dance Party again and packing that on the lower lash line. And then taking Tipsy Girl and packing this on the lid space on top of where the Painterly Paint Pot went. And then I'm also using Tipsy Girl to blend out that Dance Party shade on the lower lash line. Then using Certified for the brow bone highlight, and then using I'm In It to highlight the inner corner, and then I'm also tapping this shade on top of Tipsy Girl all over the lid. Just to add a little sparkle since Tipsy Girl is a matte shade. And then using that NYX nude pencil to line the waterline, Lancome mascara, And that completes these looks. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.